Good morning and Janet and all of you. I hope you all are well. So today we will continue our same chapter, that is operating system part 4. So now before starting our chapter we have to follow the rules of SMS. So first of all, wash your hands frequently with the soap and the water, and wear a mask when you go outside. And lastly, you have to maintain a 1 meter distance to one person to another person. So I hope you all are follow the rules of SMS. Now, myself Ritu Pandey, and I am here to teach you a computer operating system. So students, before starting our chapter, in the previous class, we have to study the operating system, what is operating system, and what is Microsoft Windows, and the various operations, and then components of Windows and the desktops. Now, today we will learn about the various operations of Windows desktop. And in the Windows desktop, there are the various operations. The first is a selecting and deselecting icon, and then opening and applications, arranging desktop icon, sorting desktop icon, changing the desktop background, and then changing the screen saver. So these are the various operations of Windows desktop. So now let me start with the selecting and deselecting icon. So first of all, students, you can see in the picture, this is your desktop icon, and then you have to follow these operations in your desktop. Okay, so now let's start with the selecting and deselecting icons. So first of all, to select an icon, click on it. The icon will be highlighted. It means you have to select any icon, you have to click on it. Okay, now your icon will be highlighted. It means your icon, your program, and then your application will be selected. And then to deselect an icon, click anywhere away from the icon. It means if you have to deselect your icon, you have to click in the blank space of the icon, then your icon will be deselected. The icon will not be highlighted anymore. It means your icon will be deselected. So you can see in the picture, the first picture is the selecting an icon, then the icon will be highlighted. It means your icon will be selected. And then in the second picture, the deselecting icon, your icon will be not be highlighted. It means your icon will be deselected. Okay, now this is a selecting and deselecting icon. So now let me start with the selecting adjacent icon. It means आपको अपने आइकन्स को एक सीक्वेंस में सारे आइकन्स को सेलेक्ट करना है. सो यू हैव टू फॉलो दीज स्टेप्स. To selecting adjacent icon, follow these steps. So the first step is left click. To select the first icon, you have to left click the first icon and press and hold down the shift key. In your keyboard, you have to press and hold down the shift key. आपको shift key को press करना है and hold किए रहना है. Then mouse के through आपको सारे icons को select कर लेना है. You have to drag your mouse in your desktop. Then release the shift key and the mouse. आप shift key को और mouse को release करिए. Then your all adjacent icons will be selected on your desktop. It means आपके सारे icons select हो जाएंगे. So you have to follow these steps for selecting adjacent icons. And then selecting non-adjacent icons. To select non-adjacent icons, follow these steps. So the first step is press and hold down the control key. You have to press on your keyboard द कंट्रोल की एंड देन प्रेस इट एंड द होल्ड डाउन. आपको प्रेस करे रहना है एंड देन उसे होल्ड किए रहना है. प्रेस करके होल्ड किए रहिए. देन क्लिक ऑन द आइकन्स टू बी सेलेक्टेड वन बाय वन. इट मीन्स अगर आपको सारे आइकन सेलेक्ट नहीं करने हैं, आपको कुछ आइकन सेलेक्ट करने हैं, यू हैव टू क्लिक थ्रू द माउस वन बाय वन. एक एक आइकन को आप सेलेक्ट करिए, जिससे आपके डेस्कटॉप पे इफ़ यू हैव your desktop in the 10 icons and you have to select any 5 icons, so you have to press the control key on your keyboard and then hold down, hold किए रहिए and then mouse के through वन बाई वन आप वो 5 icons को select करिए, क्लिक करिए उस icons पे. now release the control key and the mouse, control key और mouse को release करिए, your 5 icon will be selected. so in this way you can select the non addition icon. it means आपको अलग अलग icons आपके select हो जाएंगे. now you can see in the picture there are the 6 icon in your screen and then you have to select the 3 icons. so you have to follow the steps selecting for addition icon, non addition icon. now see how to do the practical do selecting and deselecting the icon. so let's start the practical. so first is select an icons. to select an icon, simply click on it. it will be highlighted. and deselecting an icon, to deselect an icon, click away from it. the icon will be now be displayed it is original form. so now selecting addition and non-addition. selecting addition item, left click on the first item to be selected, then hold down the shift key and click on the last item to be selected. release the shift key and all the addition items are selected. now select non-addition item, hold down the control key, click on each of the items to be selected one by one. this way you can select the non-addition item. so this is a way of selecting icons. now students, we go to the opening and application. so how to open your application in your computer, in your desktop. so to open an application or program, follow these steps. so first of all, you place the pointer on the icon of the program. it means आपको जो भी icon, जो भी program open करना है, you have to place your pointer. माउस के थ्रू अपने पॉइंटर को उस आइकन पे प्लेस करिए एंड देन डबल क्लिक ऑन इट. आपको डबल क्लिक करना है, देन यू हैव टू डबल क्लिक ऑन दिस आइकन और प्रोग्राम एंड द एप्लीकेशन ओपन्स ऑन द स्क्रीन. आपका वो एप्लीकेशन, वो प्रोग्राम ओपन हो जाएगा, आपके स्क्रीन पे अपीयर हो जाएगा. सो दिस इज़ अ वे ऑफ हाउ टू ओपनिंग योर आइकन ऑन योर डेस्कटॉप. नाउ see how to do the practical to opening an application. it means student, we can do the practical how to open a application, an application or program. so let's start our practical. so opening a program, the method 1, first of all click on the icon which you want to select it and then press enter key. The application will be open in your window. and then the second is double click the left mouse button on the icon to the open it a program. your program will be open. so this is a method how to open a application and program. now the info box, it means information. in computers, an application is a type of programs or software that allows you to perform a specific task. it means आपके कंप्यूटर में जो एप्लीकेशन टाइप्स ऑफ एन एप्लीकेशंस हैं, जो टाइप्स ऑफ प्रोग्राम या सॉफ्टवेयर के वे में है, इट इज़ अलाउड टू परफॉर्म स्पेसिफिक टास्क. यानी ये आपको अलाउ करते हैं अलग अलग तरीके की वर्क के लिए, स्पेसिफिक टास्क के लिए. लाइक पेंट में आप ड्राइंग कर सकते हैं, देन वर्ड में आप टाइपिंग कर सकते हैं, एंड देन इस तरह से आपके कई सारे प्रोग्राम्स और सॉफ्टवेयर्स हैं जिस पे आप अलग अलग वर्क्स कर सकते हैं. सो द कंप्यूटर एप्लीकेशन यानी विंडोज ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम आपको ये प्रोवाइड करता है. नाउ we have to learn about the how to arrange the desktop icons. So arranging desktop icon makes it easy to locate any file or program quickly on the desktop. It means you have to arrange your icons, so you have to locate easily any files and any programs on your desktop. किसी भी फाइल या प्रोग्राम्स को आप easily लोकेट कर सकते हैं, फाउंड कर सकते हैं आपके डेस्कटॉप पे. सो टू अरेंज द डेस्कटॉप आइकन फॉलो दीज स्टेप्स. सो द फर्स्ट स्टेप इज right click anywhere on the blank area of the desktop. You have to right click the empty space of the desktop. Then a shortcut menu appear. एक shortcut menu appear होगा on your screen and bring the pointer onto the view option and you have to bring your pointer onto the व्यू ऑप्शन आपके सामने उस शॉर्टकट मेन्यू पे शो होगा. यू हैव टू पॉइंट योर माउस पॉइंटर इन द व्यू ऑप्शन एंड देन क्लिक ऑन द ऑटो अरेंज आइकन फ्रॉम द सब मेन्यू. इफ so student, you have to point your icon in the view option. You can see the sub menu will be appear on your screen, and then you have to select the auto arrange icon and then click it, so your program will be open. So now you can see in the picture the arranging desktop icon. So first of all, you have to right click the empty space of the desktop and then the shortcut menu will be open. This is a shortcut menu will be open. You have to select and click the view option and the sub menu will be open, and then you have to click and select the auto arrange icons. So your program, your icons in on your desktop will be arranged automatically. Okay. Now sorting desktop icons. So how to sort a desktop icon? So arranging the desktop icons in the specific order is called sorting the icons. It means you have to arrange your desktop icon in a specific order. It means like by name, by size, by item type, and by date modifier. So in the Windows 7 you have to provide it to sort the icons by name, by size, by type, item types, and the date modifier. So to sort the icons, follow these steps. So the first step is right click on the blank area of the desktop. You have to right click in the blank area of the desktop and then a shortcut menu will be appear on your desktop, and the place pointer on the sort by option. So in your shortcut menu you have to place your pointer the shortcut by option. Then click on the name option in the sub menu. Then you have to you have to place the pointer on your sort by option. Then your sub menu will be open, and then you have to select and click it on the name option. So now the icon will be arranged in the alphabetical order. So now you can see in the desktop your icon will be arranged in the alphabetical order. So this is a way of how to sorting desktop icon in your desktop. So now this is a picture of the sorting icons. You have to follow the steps how to sort the desktop icon. So first of all you have to place in the empty area the right click. You have to, then the shortcut menu will be open, and then you have to click the sort by option. Then sub menu will be open, and then you have to select and click the name option. If you have to arrange your desktop with the name, if you have to select the size option, अगर आपको साइज के थ्रू अपने डेस्कटॉप को अरेंज करना है, यू हैव टू क्लिक द साइज ऑप्शन. एंड द आइटम टाइप के नाम से आपको अरेंज करना है तो यू हैव टू क्लिक द आइटम टाइप ऑप्शन एंड डेस्कटॉप आइकन, एंड यू हैव टू चूज सॉर्टिंग डेस्कटॉप आइकन. क्लिक इट, सो योर डेस्कटॉप आइकन विल बी अरेंज्ड in this way. First is arranging the desktop icon. As you arrange your study desktop to make it tidy, likewise you can arrange the icons on the desktop to give it a better look. So to do this, right click on the blank area of desktop. You will find the list of the options like this. Select the view option. You have to select it and then click on the auto range icon option from the submenu. So observe it, your icon will be arranged. Observe the change and then sorting the icons. So sorting the desktop icons means arranging them in a proper sequence. So the right click on the blank area of the desktop, you have to right click it and then a shortcut menu appears on your screen. Then point to the sort by option and click on the name sub option. Then the icon will be arranged in an alphabetical order. You can see in the picture your icon will be arranged. So now in the information box, to hide all the desktop icon at once, follow these steps. So if you have to hide, if you have to hide the desktop icon, अगर आपको अपने desktop icon को hide करना है, so you have to follow these steps. So first of all, you have to click on the blank area on the desktop, blank area पे, empty area पे you have to right click and then select the view option. We have to select the view option in the shortcut menu and then uncheck the show desktop icon. आपको uncheck करना है. show desktop icon option आपको show होगा. then you have to see that the उस पर टिक मार्क किया होगा, then उसको अनचेक कर देना है, यानी उसका जो टिक उस पर क्लिक करेंगे आप लेफ्ट क्लिक, तो वो टिक मार्क हट जाएगा, इट मीन अनचेक हो जाएगा. सो योर डेस्कटॉप आइकन विल बी हाइड. देन आपको वापस उसको अनहाइड करना है. सो यू हैव टू राइट क्लिक ब्लैंक एरिया एंड देन select the view option and then check the show desktop icon, so your icon will be hidden. Okay, so now this is a various operations on the desktop screen. You have to follow these steps. So now thank you and Jai Narayan student. I hope all of you understood today's class. So thank you students. Stay home, stay healthy.